Looking for the perfect 3D printer to match your creativity and skill level? Whether you're a hobbyist, designer, or engineer, we've got the top 5 best 3D printers that combine speed, precision, and user-friendly features. Each one offers something unique, from incredible detail to lightning-fast performance. Let's dive in. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the Anycubic Kobra 2 brings ease and speed together in a powerful yet beginner-friendly design. It features automatic bed leveling, a dual gear extruder, and impressive printing speeds up to 300 millimeters per second. Setup takes minutes and you'll enjoy consistently smooth prints every time. The intuitive touchscreen interface and quiet operation make it ideal for home users or hobbyists. Affordable, reliable, and efficient, it's perfect for anyone stepping into 3D printing without the complexity. With the Kobra 2, creativity comes to life faster and easier than ever before. At number 4, we have the Elegoo Mars 4, a resin printer built for creators who value intricate detail and professional precision. Featuring a 9K monochrome LCD, it captures the finest details with crisp clarity, ideal for miniatures, jewelry, or dental models. The Mars 4 is compact, fast, and produces ultra-smooth prints that require minimal cleanup. Its solid construction, intuitive interface, and compatibility with multiple resins make it a reliable choice for both beginners and pros. If you're ready to elevate your resin printing game, the Elegoo Mars 4 is your go-to for high-resolution craftsmanship. At number 3 is the Creality K1 Max, a large format powerhouse built for ambitious creators. With a massive build volume and astonishing print speeds, it lets you take on bigger projects with professional precision. The K1 Max comes equipped with AI camera monitoring, auto calibration, and an enclosed design that ensures stable, high-quality results. From prototypes to detailed models, it handles every print with confidence. Backed by Creality's reliable technology and active community, this printer strikes the perfect balance between speed, size, and value. For those who dream big, the K1 Max brings your boldest ideas to life. Runner-up at number 2 is the Prusa MK4S, a benchmark for consistency and quality in 3D printing. This upgraded model is known for its rock-solid build, automatic mesh bed leveling, and near-silent operation. It delivers professional-grade accuracy while staying easy to maintain, thanks to Prusa's open-source design and robust ecosystem. You'll appreciate its user-friendly interface, dependable hardware, and wide material compatibility. Perfect for makers, professionals, or educators, the MK4S offers reliability that keeps up with your creative pace. With a passionate community and exceptional support, it's the kind of printer that delivers flawless results about every single time. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Bambu Lab P2S, the ultimate fusion of speed, intelligence, and precision. With AI-powered calibration, adaptive flow control, and multi-material capabilities via the AMS system, it redefines effortless 3D printing. You'll get stunningly accurate, smooth prints at incredible speeds with minimal setup. Its enclosed design, quiet operation, and automated features make it a dream for both professionals and enthusiasts. The P2S is not just a printer, it's an innovation hub built to enhance creativity. For those who demand perfection and performance, Bambu Lab P2S stands at the top. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers you can get right now. Each of these models delivers excellent performance, reliability, and value for different needs and budgets. Which one will you choose to power your next creative project? Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.